Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to get familiar with the Mobipaid merchant portal, and then we'll send out our first payment request. You can either navigate to the merchant portal from merchant.mobipaid.com and bookmark this for later on, or you can access the merchant portal from the mobipaid.com website. If for any reason you don't have access to your login credentials, please contact support. Okay, welcome to the dashboard. The dashboard has quick links to the pages we use most often. You can access your account settings at the top right by clicking on your profile icon. This is where we can select the language, access our account settings, add new users, set up our customer payment page, customize the messages we send, set up our receipts, and generate QR code payment links. Check out our account setup tutorial for more details. Now let's take a look at the side menu to see Mobipaid's core functions. Here you can initiate payment requests, view transactions, manage customers, access the virtual terminal, see analytics, and manage billing. The user guide is our written library of tutorials that can teach you how to do anything you see in our tutorial videos. When we click on Payment Request, we can see all the different ways we can receive payments. Here we can send a standard payment request and even schedule automatic reminders to be sent until the request is paid. And here we can send our customer a request to start an automatic recurring payment. The campaign payment request function allows us to set up our own payment pages, which we can use to sell products and services, collect donations, and even create an automated auction. If you have to send out several payment requests, you can use the bulk payment request tool to send them out all at once. If you would like a more detailed explanation on how to use each of these payment request tools, watch the payment request video found in our user guide. The transaction log is where we can view every payment request and campaign that we've created or sent. The bulk transaction log is where we'll manage bulk payment requests that we've uploaded and sent. Payment history shows each and every payment that's been attempted. New transactions will appear here in real time. This is where you'll go to reconcile and refund payments. For a step-by-step breakdown on the transaction logs and payment history, watch the transaction logs and history video found in our user guide. The Customers page allows you to access every contact that you've sent a payment request to. You can do that here on the My Customers page. You can also upload customers manually so that you can more easily request payment from them in the future. The Analytics page shows us an overview of our payment metrics by month and by year. You can find out more about how to use the Customers and Analytics pages in the video tutorials on these tools found in our user guide. And finally, we are here to help. Click here to open a new support ticket, and we will respond as quickly as possible. Now, something to keep in mind is wherever you are in the merchant portal, you can always click the Mobipaid logo to return to the dashboard. Now that we've seen where everything is, let's send our first payment request. Click Payment Request from the menu at the top left and then Single Payment Request. We'll send a text message payment request. For now, our reference number identifies the payment, and we'll request €100 for this demo. Finally, let's type in the recipient's phone number. We're going to use our default message template, our default phone number, and no tax profile. Make sure everything looks good and then click Submit, and that's it. We've just sent our first payment request. Go ahead, log in and give it a try.